Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Flutter SDK, Android Studio, and the Android SDK. Open Android Studio and install the Flutter and Dart plugins so project templates appear. This saves time later. Once done, use the Flutter SDK path dialog to point Android Studio at your SDK, then set environment path entries so Flutter runs from terminal. Make sure to run Flutter Doctor now to see missing items and address them before creating a project. You create a new Flutter project in Android Studio, name it, and select the desired Android module options. Choosing Kotlin is fine for plugins. Once the project loads, open SDK Manager to install the API level you need and an x86-64 system image for faster emulation. Then configure AVD Manager and start an emulator, or connect a device and enable USB debugging. Make sure to run Flutter devices to verify connectivity before building. You build and run with the green Run button or Flutter Run from terminal. Choose Debug to iterate quickly. Use Hot Reload frequently. Press the toolbar Lightning or R and open DevTools to inspect widgets and performance. If the build fails, read the Gradle error. Often the fix is correcting SDK path, updating Gradle properties, or running Flutter clean to reset caches. One quick troubleshooting tip: if the emulator shows blank, kill and cold boot it. Then reinstall the app to clear stale state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.